What we do here is go back.
Hello everybody, this is the Bulldozer, and thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for watching another one of my videos. I really do appreciate you giving me your time. If you will, please consider using my code MrBulldozer You can see it there in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. That does apply to any Epic games. This video here is going to be a little different of the type of videos I usually upload. I usually upload game and play videos, every now and then a dash cam video or something along those lines. But this here, there's a YouTuber I watch on multiple times during the week. They have multiple channels, they put up multiple videos, and they just got hit with a bunch, and I mean a bunch of demonetizations on their videos. And this is what's going on. There used to be a place he'd get his music at. I'm not going to say the name of the YouTube channel. I'm not trying to get clicks or views or subscribers or anything like that. And I'm also not going to say where they got the music from. But it used to be free to use their music. Well, something happened, and now they're going back in anybody's video, or at least I shouldn't say anybody, at least the videos that he has, that he used their music, they are claiming every one of his videos that has their music in it, even after they said it was free to use this. Let this be a lesson for you folks. Only use the music you see in the YouTube music library unless you've created the music, because it's just not safe. It's absolutely just not safe. You never know when that something's going to go awry, like this situation, and now he's getting a bunch of his videos demonetized. But there's a solution I'm going to explain to you on how to do that. There's actually two ways to do it, so you don't have to take down the video and re-upload the video, and all those views you had on that video, you've lost all those views. Especially if you're somebody who's trying to get your time to monetize your channel. There is a mute the sound and music, and there is a mute only the music option. And I'm explaining to you on how to do this. But also, one thing I wanted to toss in here real quick before we get into this video, I will, after Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 1, I will be ending doing YouTube shorts, at least as far as the solo victorials go, because they are hurting my channel. They are absolutely hurting my channel. From 2022 to 2023, my revenue is down to 59%, on top of me gaining 200 subscribers. I'm a small channel. I'm under 4,000 subscribers, but I gained 200 subscribers. Did I just say 2,000? I gained 200 subscribers in 2023, and my revenue is down 59%. Absolutely insane. I went from 189,000 views to 118,000 views. Dropped all those views while gaining 200 subscribers. It just don't make sense. And the only thing I changed on the channel was I started doing YouTube shorts. So after Chapter 5 Season 1 of Fortnite, I will be going back to I will still keep my 8 p.m. uploads, but those will be full screen, not YouTube shorts. And when I do have a short, those shorts will be at 12 p.m. in the afternoon. I guarantee an upload. I don't guarantee, but I should say my main upload time is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if I have another video to put out, that will be at 12 p.m. So I try to push for 2 videos a day, but I definitely want to hit that 1 video per day. But back to this video here, you can see this is a live stream from Far Cry 5. Far Cry 5 was a huge, I think it was Far Cry 5. Yeah, Far Cry 5. It was a huge problem when it came to the music being claimed in your video. That happened to a lot of these. And this is a live stream video clip here. And as you can see, the thumbnail says live on it. That's how I know it's a live stream. And this was hunting animals and fishing to get cash so you can earn weapons and stuff and buy weapons. So yeah, that's the reason why you don't see really no information in the description. You see it does say Season Pass giveaway coming soon. That was for the Far Cry 5. But I will be doing a V-Buck giveaway sometime in February. So make sure you look out for that. And if you subscribe, hit that notifications bell and select all. That way you'll know when I upload all my videos. So let's go ahead and get back into this video here. This video here, I'm just to recap. I'm going to show you how to take in mute music and mute the sound of your video so you don't take it down and re-upload it. So if you already got a bunch of views, you're not going to lose those views. So let's go up here and let's take a look at the copyright. You can see here it's got the copyright with the demonetization sign on it. So we'll go in and we'll look at the details here in a second. But make sure you pay attention to this because you got two different types of copyrights. Again, this information here is probably more for the newer creators out there. You got a copyright claim and you got a copyright strike. And a copyright claim is you can still have your video up. It's just that any revenue made off that video is going to go to whoever is claiming that video. For instance, the music on this video here. Even though all the gameplay and everything's mine, because the game's music itself, not music that I used, the game's music got picked up by the YouTube system. It got automatically copyright claimed. So it's not a strike or anything. You can keep the video up, but it doesn't affect your channel. It's just that you can't make no money off that video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. When you go into the details, it's going to take you to this window right here. And you can see it tells you the exact time period and how long it is from start to finish that the music has been claimed in the video. And you can see up there it says it's not affected. The channel is okay. It's just that monetization is not eligible for this video. And if you go in and to learn more, it just basically says that the person that created the music is going to take and add or get the revenue from that video. So again, here's your time period here, and you can actually go in and you can listen to what is being claimed. But obviously I can't do that in this video here because otherwise this video would be claimed. Then I have to go through the whole process of muting the audio in this video, which I won't be able to do because I'll show you right here. Here's your 4 steps. You can trim out the segment, you can replace the song, you can mute the song, and you can dispute the claim. Now, unless you're 100% positive you can use that, I would not dispute the claim. So we're going to take and we're going to mute the song. So here's a window where it says choose how to mute the claimed song. Now you got 2 options here. Down there at the bottom of the mouse you can see where it says mute song only, but that's beta, and it's not highlighted like the one up top. You can't select it. And I'm assuming that it might be because this is a live stream. Again, I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. It is in a beta phase. But the one up top, it says mute the song, and every bit of sound that's in the song. That's your voice, any sound effects you add, all that stuff is going to be muted. But the good thing is that you're not going to have to re-upload the video. So any views you've already got on the video, those are not lost, and you can take and get rid of the sound and continue on with the video and not worry about it and make revenue off of the video. Okay, if I didn't already say this, once you've selected the portions you want to get muted, you can play that back. You can see how it's got that cut line on it right there. You can play that clip so you can see exactly what it's going to sound like. So let's say if you don't like it, you end up wanting to just leave it the way it is. You have the opportunity to check that, because once you hit continue and you go through the process, it's going to go into that video and mute all the audio, or it's going to mute just the music depending on which one you have selected, and there's no way to reverse that. So again, it's giving you a last warning to mute it. It's also going to tell you it could take you a while. This clip here, it took just over an hour to mute. So we'll go ahead and hit mute. You can see it's processing, and right there is what you're going to see. And this will update automatically. I'll show you what that looks like right here. So there you can see the copyright's gone. Everything's good to go. So now what we'll take and we're going to go in and we're going to take and go ahead and add the information. I refreshed it just so you know it is really gone. So we go to the monetization. We can now monetize the video. Go down and do your checks and hit submit. And once you hit submit, there you go. You got your icon on. Your video is now monetized. So that is how you get rid of the copyright music issue. And very, very easy thing to do. And the good thing is that you didn't have to delete the video or re-upload it. So there you go, folks. It's that easy to remove the music from your video if you've been copyright claimed, or it doesn't have to be music. It can be literally anything. Especially if you're somebody that's out in the public and you do a recording or something and you upload it, you gotta be cautious of the music in the background, because that will also get you. So, which was absolutely crazy. I got copyright claimed one time for music that the AI system could barely hear over the fireworks display where I was at a 4th of July fireworks spectacular, and all the booms and everything, but it just barely heard the music enough to where it copyrighted the video. And I just left it on there because didn't have that option for the beta, and it would just take it, end up removing all the fireworks sounds and everything else. So what's the point of the video then? Don't forget, if you are a Fortnite player, I will be doing a giveaway for at least 1,000 V-Bucks. Could be 2,000. Who knows? Only time will tell. But you'll find out more about that on the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time. I really do appreciate it. This is the Bulldozer. Get your killing on. I'm out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. On the left-hand side, my Fortnite playlist. On the right-hand side, the previous video uploaded. Who knows what this could be? It could be dash cam footage. It could be something about on YouTube. It could be a number of things. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time. This is the Bulldozer. Get your killing on, and I'm out of here.